This training video will cover tie wire replenishment. This process consists of 9 steps: Z actuator homing, unlocking and rotation of the spool lock arm, removing the empty tie wire spool, installing a new tie wire spool, ensuring that spool is installed correctly, unlocking and rotating the lock arm up, feeding wire into the pre-spooler, installing tie wire into the tying tool feed gears, and performing an operational check of tie wire installation. Home the Z actuator on the TyBOT by depressing the pause switch for 3 to 5 seconds or until the Z actuator is seen to be moving up and towards the robot supervisor. Unlock and rotate the spool lock arm down until the arm is locked in the down position. Remove the empty tie wire spool. Install the new tie wire spool onto the spool bayonet. Unlock and rotate the spool lock arm up until it is in the locked position. Ensure that the tie wire spool is installed correctly so that the wire unspools downward towards the tie module. Feed wire into the pre-spooler feed tube. To do this, pull the wire down to the feed tube and press the feed button located on the tie module in the down position to get wire to the pre-spooler. Install the tie wire into the tying tool feed gears. To do this, unlock the feed gears by depressing the spring and hinging the red tab over the spring tab. Feed the wire through the tying tool feed gears. Once the wire has been properly fed, lock the feed gears by depressing the spring tab and unhinging the red tab. Perform an operational check of the tie wire installation. To do this, use the trigger off/on switch on the belly box. Place the trigger off and back on. The tie module will cycle and a C-shaped piece of wire should be produced following proper installation of the wire.